Everything go good, Ed?
Want to cut off as little as possible here, just to open the capillaries back up. All right. So we've got the tree base setting up on top of a cinder block to give us a stable position to work. And we're just going to clip off all the branches right at the very bottom so they don't get caught in the bowl that we're going to fill with water.
Going.
All right, so then we're gonna find a good area to put this rod at the tree stand, and this looks like a good area right here. We're gonna get it up there, and we're gonna want to pull all the branches through here that are in the way, so they're sticking out instead of being pushed up against the tree.
Go ahead.
You're gonna want to be pretty gentle with these so you don't break them. And sometimes you gotta kind of finagle them around.
Now,
as you can see, we got all the branches that are below the base of this through, so they're gonna be sticking out. Now that we have the base position, we're gonna go ahead and hammer the spike into the center of the tree. Alright, so now we're gonna take our crank and we're gonna put it in, and then we're gonna get the screw started just by tapping it a couple times with the hammer. Notice we've got this bar straight and parallel with the tree trunk. All right, now we're just gonna screw this all the way in until it's snug against the tree. That should do it. And then we're just gonna stand it up. Make sure you don't break this point off the top of the tree. That loses a lot of the value if you do.
all right.
So the trees that are going inside buildings, we have to spray with fire retardant chemical. So we've got our plastic gloves on because you don't want to get on your skin. And we've got our handy backpack sprayer thing. And we're just gonna get the tree a good once over, making sure to get the outside and inside on the branches and the trunk. We go ahead and get all the way around the tree. Alright, so we also have to put the trees on top of water buckets and fill them with water so that they don't lose any more water and die.
Nice.